Internet been here for you?
It's been a struggle. It's been a struggle. For 6 years, it's been a struggle with trying to get by with quasi-internet, otherwise affectionately known as SlowNet. Welcome to our little corner of the world here in the Caribou country of British Columbia, here on Parker Lake. We've been here for about 6 years now, and in that time we struggled with less than adequate internet via satellite system, and that satellite system, while is good enough for things like email most of the time, it really isn't any good for watching any kind of streaming movies or videos and that sort of stuff. And trying to upload a 15-minute video to YouTube, it's going to take you about an hour and a half. So it just really isn't functional. And we've been trying for some time to get internet broadband from the likes of TELUS and that sort of thing, but there really is no interest on the big utilities to help us out. So we went out after a very frustrating evening of trying to do some crypto trades and bought ourselves a Starlink system. So this is going to be our unboxing, setup, and head-to-head comparison of Starlink versus satellite internet. The process was that we had to go online to the Starlink site and make an application, and then I think some people got a call back and they had a limited time to make a decision whether to go ahead with it or not. We didn't get that. I ended up going back to the site maybe a month and a half later, 2 months after I had applied, and I was able to order a system. So after one very frustrating night of trying to do some crypto trades and missing out on an opportunity, I thought, to hell with it, I'm gonna get myself a Starlink system. So I signed up right then and there, and it took about, I'm gonna say, about 3 weeks before the system showed up in Williams Lake when we went and picked it up. And so here we're going to do an unboxing for you. Well, let's see what we got. So this must be the fast start guide. Regulatory notices. There's a stand. Power supply. Cable. Dish. Kind of heavy. And our network interface. Not sure, to be honest with you, what that is, but it's supposedly all here. Set up the dish on the stand, this being the dish, but don't touch it, don't adjust it manually, just set it up and let it do its thing, and then power it up, connect it to your Starlink app, and we're good to go. Okay, so we're going to do a temporary installation first because we're really excited about getting this unit running. So I've got myself a couple of sawhorses. I don't need that kind of help. And I got a chunk of plywood, and I got the base put up here. So let's get the dish on, shall we? Okay, dish is set up. Okay, so you've got your dish set up, you've checked for obstructions. Now you're going to hook up your hardware, which couldn't be easier because it's already color coded. So your white cable goes on the white side, obviously. Black cable from the dish goes in the black side. And now you're going to power it up.
Okay, so in summary, we have 18 times increase in ping speed, and we have download speed is increased 4.5 times roughly, and our upload speed has increased 6.8 times approximately. But I mean, all those numbers sound good, but really what it means is websites don't time out anymore, or connections don't time out. All of my crypto transactions are lightning fast with no lag, and I can stream movies in 10K for, let's say on Amazon Prime or Netflix or that kind of thing. Works flawlessly. So it's a night and day difference. I mean, the numbers don't really do it justice, but it's an incredible difference that I'm really happy with.